We appreciate y'all staying with us through the build, and I'm gonna go over some details that what we used to finish up with on these knee walls. On the inside, we used a shiplap on both sides. Of course, this is a vinyl shake product, and I described that in another video. Up here, we used a beadboard on the beams. It's a white beadboard vinyl. And then on the ceiling, we used another vinyl product. It's like a vinyl siding, but it's a beadboard. And we went with the sky blue because, the lady that sold it to us said that bugs won't go to it because they think it's the sky. So we'll see how that works out. I don't know if that's true or not, but it looks good. And the reason we really went with it is because it looks good. But she kind of put us on there because we was thinking about white, and it turned out we really like the blues. It's a blue beadboard. And the color of the ceiling is called a Hero Blue, if anybody's interested in it. So we thought that was kind of funny too. So we put a indoor-outdoor fan, and no light, but just a fan. And the lights are a LED disc light, and they were really easy to put in. The doors we had, of course, were existing. Of course, we used the screen system. We really liked it. So that's pretty much it. The floor, of course, we showed that. So cost-wise, we've got about, best we can figure, about $1,900 in all this. The floor was expensive. The ceiling was expensive. Everything else was like $100, but when you add all them $100 up, it adds up quick. Of course, we had the siding. The siding we had left over, so you got to kind of figure that in. That was really expensive when we bought it. It was like $400 a square, and we used 2 squares in here, so it'd been $800 if we'd had to buy it. And that's back two or 3 years ago, so I don't know what it is now. So we did the electrical, we did everything ourselves, and we're really happy with it. So we also had the structure now, and if you go back to the very first demo, this was a laundry room, so we already had the floor joists, and they were treated, and the roof was already here, so you got to kind of take that into account. Of course, if the floor joists wouldn't cost that much, roof would be pretty expensive, so we just reused that part, and that saved us a little money on that. So keep that in mind before you start, when you figure your estimate. We want to thank everybody for staying with us, and it's been a long build, but we did it as a team, and it was kind of, times it got kind of rough, didn't it? What do you think about it?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
Especially when we got sick and weren't feeling good. We still had to try to work some, but it was all right.
Well, we appreciate all our subscribers, and this will be the last video on this. Thank goodness. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully, if you're thinking about doing it, give you some ideas. And you see, we did it, and we're nothing special, so you could probably turn into something. I know you can do something like this. It wasn't that hard. We just took our time and worked through stuff. So that's the main thing. So hope you like it. Hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Support your local farmer. We'll be gone for several weeks. So keep that on your mind. And this is our last video before having surgery. So we'll probably do a surgery video or a knee replacement journey. So that'll be the next video in about a week or 10 days or so. So anyway, give us a thumbs up. Appreciate you watching. Support your local farmer. Go to your local church. We'll see you in the next video.